important part of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nobody be alarmed. Right now, Arsenal is in the lead with 40 points.
Okay, let's go, Big Jersey.
Real Sick is behind him with 20 points and Shotgun Suge with 12. How you feeling, Ars? You feel good?
I'm Gucci. What's up? We start with me this question.
All right, no, I'm just checking your temperature.
Oh, why? I'm ready, Sick. Man. I'm ready.
Hey, Ars acting like he really want to beat y'all niggas. I'm just throwing that out there. You feel me?
Like, I'm saying this shit is all opinion. Yeah, it's all opinion.
Nah, it's opinion. Not these my guys.
It's all opinion. Sick. What's up? No, it's opinion mixed with a little bit what you know. You feel me? You give us the proper points while. With an argument for reading, you get a couple more points. You know what I mean? Sick, how you feeling? What's up?
What's up? I'm good, bro. This is dope. Hey, look, to be honest, bro, I try to just work hard and stay humble. So the fact I'm even on this panel is fire to me. You know what I mean?
I appreciate that.
God, it's too humble for me, man. Like, come on, Sick, you from Jersey, bro. You gotta put some of that. You gotta put some of that. I don't give a fuck in it. Sometimes.
Real quick, I don't even think we.
I do when I battle.
You gotta put some of that. I don't give a fuck, man. Like, nah, I'm sick.
Jersey, we might be the most arrogant niggas when it comes.
Not Sick, bro. Sick don't got it in him, bro. He just like fuck, bro.
He be so nice. These niggas Sick. Fuck Arsenal. Fuck Suge.
Hey, bro, you want some bullshit? Fuck that.
I got a good one right here. This one right here could separate the difference of who win this game and who not. We got about 8 more questions left, but this right here is going to be a good one. I love music. My question is, what are 3 albums, excuse me, don't find me, Caffeine. They don't pay us. What are 3 albums that are complete, absolute classics? We're going to start with the OG first. Arsenal, what's up? 3
Get Rich or Die Trying. 50 said Get Rich or Die Trying. Jay-Z, Reasonable Doubt. Snoop Dogg, Doggy Style. I dropped the mic. I'm out of here.
I don't know why he said that so fast. The boy, that's that legend. That boy said that shit fast as hell.
Oh, I mean, this is real. Doggy Style, Snoop Dogg? Doggy Style? Y'all know. Come on. Get Rich or Die Trying, 50 Cent.
It's going to get tricky for y'all now because
Reasonable Doubt, Jay-Z.
If you say anything that he said, you ain't going to get the same amount of points. But it's so many classics out there.
I'm just saying, it's a bunch of albums.
That's what I'm saying. You can say some other shit that is still really, I could think of 3. So I'm going to see where y'all go. We all artists.
It's a bunch, though. I got a couple more in my mind. I'm not going to say because I don't want these niggas to get no point.
You're in the back right now, so I'm going to give you a chance to get some points right now. Talk to me.
I'm going to go with Young Jeezy Thug Motivation 101 for sure. You know my body.
That's my nigga.
Like it.
Meek Mill Wins and Losses for sure. and the Blueprint.
Why you laugh, Sick?
My nigga,
I'm listening. I'm not laughing. I'm just listening.
He gonna say something. He probably say something cliche like he gonna say like
this absolute classics of all time.
Them just classics.
That nigga said Meek Mill.
Yeah, them my niggas. These are niggas that you know what I'm saying?
I mean, nigga, sure, you gonna lose this motherfucking game.
Whatever.
You finna lose.
Why? Because I didn't say Mobb Deep and because I didn't say Wu-Tang and shit like that. Like,
I didn't say them either.
Them is my like why I'm supposed to say something old?
I like June.
This because Meek knew I'm supposed to say something old because
absolute all
them is classics for me. Like if you get in my car right now, and that's what I'm riding. Like I'm zoned out. That's
are you listening to the question, Suge, or you just answering?
You said but this is an opinion.
Complete classics.
Classics.
That's all.
Okay. I said the Blueprint. That's a classic. That's one of Jay-Z's best albums, my nigga. The Blueprint, or either Volume 2.
Like you get 3, Suge.
It's mad albums. I'm just
what's your 3, Suge?
What's my 3?
Meek Mill, man.
Meek Mill.
In the Blueprint.
Wins and Losses. The Blueprint and Young Jeezy Thug Motivation 101.
That
No,
one.
Hey, don't get him no more points, yo.
TN 101 ain't one of those. Y'all crazy. I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Arse on y'all ass tonight, Paul. Hey, sick.
I'm just saying though. What I was supposed to say?
Up? If you say Bad Bunny, you losing 5 points.
What I was supposed to say?
Bad
Right?
Bunny. He like
Me
Will
Against
Smith shit.
Me Against the World by Tupac.
You know what I'm saying? That's cliche. Like that's to get points.
But he's saying
There's
three
no
classics.
such thing
That's
as
a classic.
There's no
This
such
is
thing as
opinionated, sure.
There's millions of music out, sure. Don't
Me
get
Against
mad
the
at
World.
us. Don't get mad at us because
I could have did that. I could have been like Biggie Life at the Dev.
Just like you could have said Wild Cup when you said Red.
I could have said that just for like, you know what I'm saying? And I would have been like more, but that's
sick.
I'm
Talk
not
to me, sick.
All right. Me Against the World by Pac. Marshall Mathers LP by M.
Oh, see?
And Only Built for Cuban Links. That's my 3.
That's, you know,
I'm not gonna lie.
I can listen to those like front to back. Like I don't skip any tracks on those.
And my thing
I wanted to say Get Rich or Die Trying, but y'all said you can't say nothing that nobody say.
For me with this question, because the question was 3 absolute classic albums, right? I would have said Flesh of My Flesh, DMX. I would have said Mary J. Blige, Share My World, and I would have said Usher Confessions. That would have been my 3.
Shut up.
You mixing with the R&B. I thought we was going on rap.
No, it said, listen,
Mary J. Blige.
Yeah, you hear this nigga?
Hey, yo,
I thought we was going on rap.
Shit, bro.
Yo,
this nigga said he would have said Mary J. Blige, y'all.
So listen, look. You said the Suge. You said. Listen to the question. The most absolute, complete classic albums. All 3 of those projects are amazing from 1
we could have said
10.
Lauryn Hill, Misconception, and Lauryn.
And you would have got more points than that for wins and losses.
Then saying Meek Mill wins and losses. Like what?
That shit was fire. Don't do that, bro.
That shit was amazing. That's one of my
Come on, bro. Don't do that, bro. Top to bottom. Don't do that,
talking about
be on live. I will never get a Meek feature now. This shit gonna be on live. Y'all niggas
we don't do that, yo. Top to bottom, that shit was. I could have said Beans the reason, like it's mad shit.
You really could have said
why
that.
Didn't you? Why didn't you?
Should I should go to the top though.
You said Redman, Muddy
You knew I was gonna say
Waters.
Jeezy. You knew I was gonna say Jeezy. That's for sure. Like Jeezy is for sure. I was gonna say 50, yeah, but he said it already. So off the top of my head, I'm going off what I listened to. Like
that's the end of round 3. That's the end of. Hey, yo, for
Suge,
all
you still losing, Suge.
For all the tournament, for all the opinionated I had, bro, this Jersey one is the most spiciest, bro, man.
You still losing too, bro.
Round 4.
I don't want to go first no more. I want to hear these niggas answer.
Is in the lead with 58. Real Sick is right behind with 45. Pause. And Shotgun Suge has 32. Ars, how you feeling with the lead right now?
Man, feeling like Ars, man. I'm ready to get this shit done, man. I got a show tonight, man.
Ars was some bullshit.
This one right here.
Look, Suge getting mad. Look, Suge really mad and shit. He's sick right now.
Nah, I'm chilling.
Yeah, yo, we really know you, son. I'm chilling. All right.
Yo, you gotta chill, yo. You really be getting mad.
Round 4. Hey, yo, this is I got a nice team at Caffeine, so we like mix and max our questions and shit right here. So this isn't my question, but this is one of the greater questions I've seen in Caffeine before right here. This right here is another question that could differentiate the score. Round 4 question is, what is a great piece of advice? It could be about anything. We're gonna start with you, Sid.
I think everybody got something that they're better at than most people, but sometimes they don't get the chance to like unlock it. You know what I mean? Everybody gets stuck in the normal life kind of like 9 to 5 schedule or whatever, and they never test their passion. So what I would say is find out what you like, what your passion is. That thing, you got to unlock it. Find out what it is and start on it early. You can make that a career. That's what I would say.
Shotgun Suge.
I just was telling niggas, like, you know what I mean, from experience, like, never take your talent for granted, whatever it is, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever, like, give it 110% any time, because it could bite you on the ass in the long run, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that. So never take your talent for granted. And that's just coming from experience, you know what I'm saying?
Ain't nothing like experience. Like, see, advice that comes from experience, that's good advice. Arsenal the Rebel.
Well, I just watched my man, my brother, my best friend get 30 years today, bro, to be honest with you. So my advice for anybody is just be mindful and be very wise with your time, bro, because shit can be snatched away at any second, bro.
Sure.
That's it. Just be careful with your time.
I like that question. Round 4 recap. This game has gotten a little tighter, a little